This Rolls-Royce doesn't make sound because it doesn't have an engine. What you're seeing is not a movie prop. It's a vision of what luxury cars may become by 2040. No steering wheel, no engine noise, just pure silence and intelligence. Welcome to Hyper-Ride, where future luxury is revealed before it exists. At first glance, this looks like a Rolls-Royce. But something feels different. There are no aggressive lines, no vents, no need to scream power. It's now a digital signature, glowing softly, recognizing its owner. This car doesn't chase attention. Attention follows it. Inside, luxury changes meaning. Instead, the cabin feels like a private lounge, soft lighting, floating displays, and silence. The car reads your heartbeat, your breathing, your mood. Feeling stressed? The lulling softens. The temperature adjusts. The seat changes posture. This Rolls-Royce doesn't serve you. It understands you. But here's the real question. If a car knows where you're going before you do, is that luxury? Or is it control? This Rolls-Royce doesn't exist yet, but when it does, the world of cars will never be the same. Would you trust a car that thinks for you? Subscribe to Hyper-Ride, because the future doesn't wait.